Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos on the market.
Today, we've got something special for you. The JONKEAN Chrome Handheld Shower Head Holder with 2 hanger hooks.
Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about versatility.
This shower head holder isn't just any ordinary mount.
It's a multifunctional powerhouse. Not only does it securely hold your handheld shower head in place,
but it also features 2 convenient hanger hooks. Perfect for hanging towels, loofahs, or any other bathroom accessories you might need within arm's reach.
Now, what sets this shower head holder apart from the rest? It's all about the adhesive. With its strong adhesive backing, installation is a breeze, no drilling required. Plus, it's adjustable, offering 3 angle positions to suit your preferences.
And don't worry about durability. Made from high-quality ABS material, this holder is built to last. But how does it perform in real-life scenarios?
Whether you're a busy parent wrangling little ones in the bath or an individual with mobility issues, this holder makes shower time a breeze. And with its waterproof design, you can trust that it'll withstand the test of time. Speaking of trust, let's talk about installation.
Simply clean and dry the wall surface, peel off the protective film, and firmly press the holder into place.
It's that easy.
And if you ever need to remove it, just use a hairdryer to soften the adhesive and voila! No damage to your walls. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the convenience and functionality of this shower head holder.
From its ease of installation to its sturdy construction, it's a game-changer for any bathroom.
And there you have it, folks. The JONKEAN Chrome Handheld Shower Head Holder with 2 hanger hooks. Whether you're looking to streamline your shower routine or add some organization to your bathroom, this holder has you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews just like this one.
Until next time, happy showering!